of jurisdiction, and the court has ruled that he has jurisdiction to hear Nnamdi Kanu's grievances, and it entered the following orders. Number one, that the military assault at Nnamdi Kanu's Isiama Afarugu Ibeku residence, Umuahia, in Abia State, in September 2017 is a violation of his fundamental rights. This is the first time a Nigerian court has made such pronouncement. The court therefore ordered that Nigerian government should issue an official letter of apology to Nnamdi Kanu for such violation and pay him a compensation of 1 billion naira.
If you tell us how he waka.
He waka well, at least we don't get judgment over this matter wey happen since 2017, where the court don't talk am now. Say no be run away when Nnamdi Kanu run away from bed. That thing where they call say Njenje na lie, na because military attack am. And because of that military attack am, the court ordered that the federal government should pay him 1 billion and apologize to him. That's why we came here, and the court agreed with us. The only thing the court did not do is that he said he no get power to decide anything will happen to Nnamdi Kanu for Kenya. So that one there aside. And the another thing where the court talk that is very important. You know, under Section 12 of the Federal High Court Act, Federal High Court judges have the power to recommend or order political solution or reconciliation between parties. There is a companion section or provision in the state law. So today, the High Court judge recommended, I would say, I have not seen the CTC, it might as well be an order that the federal government, instead of pursuing this matter in court in Abuja, in the form of a trial, should pursue the prospects of political solution. That coming from a High Court judge in Nigeria is very, very important for us. It's of overriding consideration.
Okay, for the common man, we no go understand all this big grammar when you speak now.
Yes.
How you fit break them down one by one?
Okay, I don't break them. I don't break them. They say that thing where they call Python dance, where the Nigerian army come down for Southeast for 2017. Come dance and say they come reach Nnamdi Kanu house for Afaruku Ibeku, where they for my for Abia State. The judge say that thing no good. He did wrong. Say now in life where they want contact, now he make the man run away. So that no be Nnamdi Kanu where they at fault. Now federal government and the army where come to attack and then they at fault. And now because then they at fault, made them pay 1 billion naira and made them apologize to them.
Okay.
So now them tell and say then they're sorry.
How you feel for this journey?
I feel good
everything
now.
where you fight, say they meet all of them complete, or you get some ways they pay you for
yes, where I know be say they pay me. You can see my face like you can say I don't get paid. That small one will happen for Kenya. Don't worry, that one we go see what we will do. One day, monkey go market, you know, go return for that one.
So, okay, a message for the supporters of Nnamdi Kanu.
And I don't see how we, I don't see how we waka go. The people where they support Nnamdi Kanu. This waka for Abia State is start for of jurisdiction, and the court has ruled that he has jurisdiction to hear Nnamdi Kanu's grievances, and it entered the following orders. Number one, that the military assault at Nnamdi Kanu's Isiama Afarugu Ibeku residence, Umuahia, in Abia State, in September 2017 is a violation of his fundamental rights. This is the first time a Nigerian court has made such pronouncement. The court therefore ordered that Nigerian government should issue an official letter of apology to Nnamdi Kanu for such violation and pay him a compensation of 1 billion naira.